Ayubowan, I am Anoma. Welcome to my kitchen. In this episode, I am going to share with you my tasty potato curry recipe. Yes, you heard it correct. I am going to make a potato curry. I know for some people, potato is a staple food. But for Sri Lankans, our staple food is rice. So we treat potato as a vegetable. We make curries, stir fries. There are so many things we do with potato. So I'm going to show you how to make a tasty potato curry using coconut milk. I cut my potatoes to a large pieces like this, and we need salt, coconut milk, some water and green chilies. We need more green chili, 2 of them, and 1 piece of pandan leaf and 1 sprig of curry leaves and red onions, garlic. Here are the spices we need: a little piece of cinnamon, turmeric and unroasted curry powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seed. First of all, I am going to boil the potatoes. So I put all the pieces here. I am going to add some little bit of water, and I like to put some salt and going to boil this. I am going to cover this. In the meantime, we can cut the onions, green chilies. For white curries, we use lot of green chilies and red onions. It gives more flavor to the curry. But I know some people, you can't find this in your country, but if you can find, you will be able to get the authentic flavor of potato curry. I am going to cut all these because potato is very bland, no flavor at all. So we have to get all the flavors from these onions, curry leaves, garlic, pandan leaves. Gives more taste and the aroma to the curry. You can keep all these ready. No, it's not done yet. We have to boil little bit more. In the meantime, we can make a thin milk. I add more water to the thick milk. I'm going to keep this ready, then it's easy for us. Now we can check whether it's done. Now I'm going to turn off the heat and going to add all these pandan leaves, curry leaves, garlic, onion, everything goes in, and all the spices and little bit of salt because we add earlier to the potatoes. And then we have to put our thin milk to the curry to cover the potatoes like this much is okay. Now again we turn on the heat. I'm going to cover the lid and let's see when it's boiling. Now don't go away, you have to stay near the curry. I'm going to stir again. It smells so good. You have to stir this. Don't break the potato pieces. Be careful. Can you see it's getting thicker and thicker? So as usual, I'm going to end cooking with adding some thick milk. And lastly, we can add some lime juice to this. Can you see my onions are cooked, my green chilies are cooked, potatoes are tender than before. So I'm going to add the thick milk at this stage. After adding the thick milk, you have to continuously stir like this until it starts to boil. I'm going to taste my curry. I want more salt. I'm going to put pinch. That's it. So you have to keep on stirring. Now can you see this? This is my gravy so thick now and it starts boiling. That means it's time to remove the curry from the stove. So I turn off the heat. So I'm going to remove all these pandan leaves because you can't eat these. Very creamy, tasty white curry. So at this stage I'm going to add I add 2-3 drops of lime juice, and this one also 100% vegan recipe. We eat this with rice, with bread, with string hoppers. When you visit Sri Lanka, you should try this potato curry. With string hoppers, it's very tasty. I hope you will like this curry, and I think this is a special treat for vegetarians and vegans. So join me next time where I will show you another tasty curry with love.